Hey Dan Brown, first of all, thanks for teaching me how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Well, now I'm going to show you how I can solve the Rubik's Cube. I'm curious, what's your record? And mine is, I think, 36 seconds. We got that scrambled, you can see. And now I'm going to fix all of this. Dan, how many times does your Rubik's Cube pop? Because mine pops a lot. I'm curious because none of my friends' Rubik's Cubes pop this much. I'm almost done, you can see, and I solved it. Well, thank you again for teaching me, and watch my movies. Bye.